What is good, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today, we made 3.1 freaking bands. 3 pants we made today. We made 1 point. It didn't show anymore. 1.7 on the evals, so halfway to passing these freaking evals. And we got our drawdown because we made 1.4K on the XFA. We were down, 700? And now we're up 600. I'm planning on requesting a payout of 300 bucks for a couple of reasons. One, I want to get off of this old dashboard that I'm still on. Two, I just don't want to trade on Top Step no more with all the problems it's having and like stuff like that. And now since I have 2 alpha accounts and I'm like halfway to passing on them, I just want to get this payout, full port it, and then focus on these accounts because I'll have 2 XFAs, and then yeah. So payout before 2026 is here, bro. Let's freaking go. We freaking got it. And yeah, payout secured, even though it's like, yeah, bro, just $300 payout, even though it's not that much, it really means a lot. Like behind this 300 bucks, there's a lot of meaning behind it. So let's get over this. Let's go over this trade, starting off with Forex Factory that I didn't load up. No news Tuesday. No news Tuesday. We had Trump speaking at 2 p.m., but fuck Trump. Fuck Trump. Now, I did say before that this week is going to be such a good trade, such a good week to trade. Yesterday, we had a news Monday to start off the month, which I got break even on, unfortunately, and it went to TP. Like, I posted that trade recap, obviously. And then today we had no news, but tomorrow we're having 8:15 red folder and 10 a.m. red folder. So, it's looking pretty freaking good. Wednesday, we have an 8:30 news. Friday, we have 10 a.m. news. And, yeah, bro, this week is going to be so good to trade. I don't know. Yeah. Super good week to trade. Sorry for my bias that I posted on my Discord. Oh, someone got to pay out. Oh! If you guys want to join the Discord where people get results like these, where I don't do anything, it's their results, not mine. Link is in the description if you guys want to join the Discord. Okay, so starting from my bias, I said coming in bullish, but do see shorts playing out. Drawing liquidity today being previous day's highs. Bullish because we have respected the daily fair value gap. Gave very good reactions towards the upside, and it's clear to me that it wants to continue higher and it taking out previous day's highs. Also on the 4-hour, we have inverted the 4-hour bearish gap yesterday, so nothing really stopping us from going higher. Also, I just skipped the line. Going higher on the hourly shown in the third pick, we have an SMT at the highs along with unfilled 1-hour gaps that aligns with EQ quite nicely. For my longs, I want us to come down while also generating / engineering buy side liquidity and hit discount 1 hour and 30-minute for value gap and long from there. My drawn liquidity is previous day's highs, and if we get the generated buy side liquidity, I would look to just target them, being the low hanging fruit / LRL. Only short I see. If we continue respecting this bearish SMT, I would look for continuation shorts towards EQ and the unfilled fair value gaps. So none of this really happened. None of this happened. We have the SMT here, right? EQ is right here. This is where I would long from. That'd be pretty nice. But none of this shit happened. So my scenarios weren't good, but my bullish bias was correct. Let me just check these out. Make sure you guys use code JC when you buy an account. You know what I'm saying? So, with Alpha Futures, by the way. So let's get into the trades. So let's get into market open. This is NQ. I'll go for my execution. I'll just go on MNQ because it's more accurate. So market opens. Right? We take out this little LRL here, and market opens. We come down. We tap into like a 5-minute gap, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this unfilled 5-minute. I'm in SMT at the lows, but nothing really significant for me. So I didn't even take these, like, I think it was a 1 minute long. This 1 minute long here. Didn't like anything here, and besides, we also have that bearish SMT with that hourly gap. So I'm just waiting and waiting. We come up. It's like close to, yeah. And then we come up. We make this 5-minute gap right here, which is low-key pretty nice. It's a pretty nice gap. And before, when I was looking at this gap, I was looking to take continue. Bro, I swear to fucking God, these bugs in my room, bro. I'm actually gonna crash out, bro. I was looking to take longs from down here, equilibrium of this range from this low to this high, equilibrium from here to that, because I was super bullish. We're just going up, and continuation longs is the most probable thing to play out. Now, we did tap into the 5-minute, and we did have longs that presented itself. We took out this 5-minute intermediate low, and then there was this 1-minute inversion right here, which people took. Like Blake took this trade, but I didn't really like this trade. It wasn't too convincing. Too convincing for me. Like, it would have hit, but this isn't too convincing for me, so I didn't take it. I really wanted that retracement down into equilibrium and then long, because then that would be nice, because one, we have these relative equal highs right here that it generated through this accumulation. And then I would like a nice little manipulation leg down to then long off, because this is leading this, holy shit, because we target this lower relative equal highs that's also leading to an unfilled 4-hour gap that hit, right? That would have hit, but it wasn't my A plus scenario, so I did not take that. Now, around here, around 10:10, I see that, okay, we're going to open up this 15-minute gap. And what do I want to see? What was I thinking at this moment? Now, this is where my discretion and my conviction really paid off, because we come up, right, and then we're starting to accumulate right here, right? We're starting to accumulate. Let me change the color of this. We're starting to accumulate here, and I'm like, okay, what I want to see happen. We're at 10:10, and 30-minute gap and 15-minute gap are about to open at 10:30. Now, what could I see happen? We could see AMD slash 10:30 a.m. PO3 happening, where we have this accumulation zone. We manipulate down while also creating that 15-minute and 30-minute fair value gap, which we did, right? We created that 15-minute and 30-minute gap. Now I just messed up my thought process. So okay, let me reset. Around 10:10, I was telling people that, okay, 10:30 PO3 is going to print. It's going to print because we're super bullish still, and we're accumulating right here. And if we get a manipulation down into like a 30-minute and 15-minute gap that it was going to create, that'd be super A plus continuation longs, right? So around here, I'm telling, okay, PO3 is going to PO3, 10:30 PO3 is going to cook, 10:30 PO3 is going to cook. Literally manifesting and predicting this shit, which did happen. So right here, boom, 10:30 gets made, 10:30 open, we open low and close high, and then right here we have our 30-minute gap right here, 30-minute gap, and we open up the 15-minute gap. And what does this 15-minute gap align with? Oh, what does it align with? Oh, this low here to this low here. What is that? Equilibrium of the range. I cooked. Right? Let me delete all this. 30-minute gap fill. 15-minute gap fill. Equilibrium gets filled. And to make this trade even better, an A+ setup, we put in this SMT with 9:30 market open lows. Now, if there's not a better continuation long than this, if there's a better continuation long than this, please show me. Because I predicted this shit. I knew this shit was going to happen, and it played out. So once we accumulated here, like I said, we got that manipulation down that like in turn turned into the 30-minute and 15-minute gap that we got that manipulation down into the 15-minute, 30-minute, and equilibrium. And I'm looking for the highest time frame inversion. Now we have this 1 minute above, 1 minute here. I'm not trying to take that. I'm trying to wait for another new manipulation leg, which we do get. Like, let me get the drawing tool because I like that drawing tool. Right? I'm trying to wait for something like this. Bro. Like this, and then boom, right? So that's what happens. Bro, can you get the fuck out? Right? So that's what happens. We get this, boom. We didn't make a 1 minute gap. We did make a 30-second. Now, like I said before, I'm still kind of new to trading inversions, but this trade, I had a super high conviction towards it. And I take this, no hesitation, once we invert this 30-second, beautiful, sexy ass for value gap, which we get clear displacement with this third candle, right? Get clear displacement through this third candle. Now let me pull up MNQ. Like, just look at this trade, bro. Clear displacement through this third candle up after the inversion. My stop loss was a little bit, as you guys can see, my stop loss was a little bit below CE of the SWIC. Now, some people could have just got like out at this, a little bit above, yeah, at this 5 minute gap right here. But again, I was super bullish today. All these confluences align. I have draws way higher, and this is an A plus continuation setup, continuation model. Now, my draw for this trade was this buy side liquidity here that was also like relative equal highs with this high right here. So this was my draw. This was what I was targeting. Now, I went break even at that 5 minute gap. I went break even at that 5 minute unfilled. Where the freak? I went break even at this unfilled 5 minute. Break even at the unfilled 5 minute. Now, I wasn't worried. Like, my discretion was so high. I mean, my conviction in this trade was so freaking good that I wasn't even worried. I knew we were going to push past this 5 minute. I knew we were going to invert this 5 minute because technically this right here is low resistance. And what this becomes right here, this 5 minute becomes low resistance. And I don't think we're going to get a pullback because of the 5 minute gap. We're going to fucking like just poof, do that 5 minute gap. And what do? We obviously do that. So that's basically it. Literally. Now, there was a better entry if you guys didn't take that 30-second. If you guys missed the 30-second, there was this 3 minute inversion where you would have taken the 3 minute inversion. Same stop loss, same break even. The break even is the 3 minute / 5 minute gap. And same TP, and it would have hit in literally 1, 2, 3, 12 minutes. This trade hit in 12 minutes. So yeah, I took the 3 minute on my XFA. And yeah, so halfway past on these evals. And yeah, literally insane day. Now, you guys know me by like taking my 1-to-1 RR trades. But like I said, my conviction was so like high up here. Like I had a very high conviction in this trade. And my discretion today was I played very discretionary wise. And it literally paid off. Like I did nothing really mechanically except for my break even. But very high conviction in this trade where I knew we would take out these highs. And as you can see, after we took out these highs, what did we do? Boom. Literally, I did it, boys. And we were requesting a $300 payout, like I said in the beginning. So, a lot of good things happened this week for me, the past couple of weeks. All the glory goes to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for everything that he has given me, all the opportunities that he has given me that obviously I should take, right? So, yeah, that basically sums up the trade recap. If you guys have any questions, if I missed anything, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them. And yeah, A plus continuation. And yeah. So make sure you guys join the Discord. Link is going to be in the description below. Make sure you guys go follow the other socials, TikTok and Instagram. Link in the description below. And if you guys are going to buy an account with My Funded Futures, the firm I'm using right now, that I'm affiliated with now, make sure you guys use code JC. Link is going to be in the description for that, so you can sign up. And make sure you guys go like, subscribe, turn on the bell, post notifications so you guys are updated with every single video that I post. And that's basically it. So God bless you guys. Trade safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow if I end up taking a trade. God bless you all.